Hey everybody, it's Lisa and Samantha. See how guilty she looks? And Lola, see, she won't even look at me. Guilty dogs. You know why? Because when I was taking the kids to school this morning, they had fun. They didn't get into this last night when we were in bed. They got into it when we all left the house this morning. Guilty? Look, she won't even look at me. Oh, have you ever seen such a guilty dog? Look at that guilty look. Look, she won't even look at me. Guilty? Guilty? Super guilty. Because they decided to get into this present and eat all of the goodies that were in the present. They knew better. They did it anyway. You knew better, didn't you? Have you ever seen such guilty dogs? Little brats. Love them. But my goodness, guilty, 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 guilty. So, if your presents have food in them, don't leave them on the ground. Like I did. That is my tip for the day. All right, bye.